Welcome to my channel Technical Smart. Hi friends, in this video we are talking about all features of Redmi 9 Prime. This smartphone is the best smartphone, comes in 10,000 budget. If you are first time watching my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos and click on bell icon. Let's start. Talking about its specifications. It supports 6.53-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with 1080 into 2340 pixels resolution, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which protect you from accident drops and also splash proof, and with Aura 360 design at back. With software front, it runs with Android 10 operating system, with MediaTek Helio G80 chipset with octa-core processor, and you also see here Hyper Engine gaming technology. Gives the best performance in gaming, and the network connectivity option in this phone is 4G Volt. It packs with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, and further expandable up to 512GB with microSD card, and it is available on mint green, space blue, sunshine flare and matte black colors. It comes with quad rear camera setup, 13-megapixel primary camera, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens camera, and 5-megapixel macro lens camera, and 2-megapixel depth sensor camera with LED flash, and along with that it comes with 8-megapixel front camera. Here you can a fingerprint scanner at back. It consists of huge 5020 mAh fast charging battery, with Type-C 18 watts fast charger support. Its weight around 198 grams. And it is available at 9,999 rupees. This smartphone is available at Amazon. Link is given in the description. Don't forget to subscribe channel and like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.